Aryans worship different forces of nature. They worship sun, sky, stars, moon, earth, wind, trees, river. So they are very familiar to worship the nature. And here they name for in the sense they titled a god that's called Indra for thunder and rain, the god of strength and the valor of the Aryans army. And Agni was a god for fire. They named it like Ignis, and the word for the Latin Ignis is fire. Surya means sun. Usha, the goddesses of the dawn. So Aryans perform the sacrifices to please and particular goddesses. So they were very particular to follow the nature worshipping. And then next comes the culture called megalithic culture. What is this megalithic? Megalithic literally means huge stone. So why do I follow this huge stones and for what purpose? So this age, the big stones are found that is of sculptured or the chip in different shapes here. In a sense, they use this in burial sited. This megalithic, they use this in burial sited. Yes, children, can you observe this picture? Megalithic that are found on the surface of the most of the underground. So this gives a lot of information of the people when they were living. And here the burial practice was very similar in part of India. Here the dead body buried with distinctive pot that is known as black and red ware, and body they buried with some ornaments what the person was using, tools, pet animals and rabbits. Can you remember? You learned this to the next class, that is of Egyptian, where the mummy they preserve it and what things they were using that they to dump it, and they construct a huge pyramid that is in Egypt. So here, after the death also the people used to bury the ornaments of the person, tool, pet animals, and different ornaments found in grave. That is where we can find that is Brahmagiri. It gives good information of that. And also there was one more skeleton in a grave that is called Inamgaon grave that's found inside the house. Can you observe the picture? Yes, this megalithic culture found in place of Deccan, South India and northeast part of India, and Kashmir also we can find this megalithic culture. And the next comes Chalcolithic. What is this Chalcolithic culture? The first method used by early man. Now let us study about Chalcolithic culture. What is this Chalcolithic culture? Why they titled this? The copper was the first metal used by early man. And here, copper, this is known as Chalcolithic culture. This culture flourished in India in between 4800 BC. And this was found among the people for primarily in the sense rural community, tribal community. Later, this spread of the Chalcolithic culture in different parts of the country, like where people residing near the hills, rivers, and they started to worship mother goddesses like the animal bull, Rudra, many, and Shiva, Ganesha, Lakshmi, fire. So these are the worshipping gods. And later here, the Catholic people, where they used a distinctive type of pottery. They were expert in making of copper tools, weapons, ornaments and various kinds, and also called terracotta. They are skilled in spinning and weaving of cotton. So, dear children, I hope you follow this topic. Go through the topic, read the lesson thoroughly.